If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey, Pen Mail. Well, actually, it came in either yesterday, day before yesterday, but I've been so busy, I've been swamped, I've been running here and there, up and down. Oh, I'm just like, bam! Like I'm up to here. But anyway, I just got this pen mail thing in, and a couple of folks have asked me about what's in this envelope I'm about to show you. So I called my buddy up, Jim. Got that? Jim Hines. Right. Okay. You know who Jim Hines is, right? Yeah. Look him up. While you're at it, buy 2 or 3 pens. He don't care. So anyway, I needed a nib. And this is extra fine. So I will be putting this nib into one of my Jim Hines custom pens and show those folks how the fine steel nib writes. So you want to stay tuned for this. This is going to be cool. Well, anytime I use a pen is cool, right? Anytime I use a nib is cool. Heck, fountain pens are just cool! Alright, I'm out of here. I gotta get out of here. I'm done. I am Pepto-Bismol. I've had it. I'm done. I'm inkified. Be cool like your school. Hey, brick house. Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. Peace, love, wash hands, all that jazz in. No text and drive. Later.